Hey everyone, this is Kimberly Shipley. Welcome back to my channel. And we're in this video, what we're going to do, I am going to do some cleaning and do some voiceover talking. So I just wanted, if you're new to my channel, I have a 2000 Clayton 16 by 80, 4-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home that does need a lot of repair. So anyway, and I'm a single mom. I do it by myself. So it takes time and it takes money. So anyway, guys, welcome to my mobile home life. And again, my name is Kimberly. And I want to thank you for joining me in this episode. And let's get some cleaning done. So I'm just going to go, we're going to do some cleaning in the video and just kind of, hey, do a little chit chat and this and that during the video. So, welcome to my life. Hey everyone, thank you for joining me tonight. I didn't have much time to do much tonight. There'll be more cleaning videos tomorrow, and so I just wanted to get something out tonight. So this is kind of a short clean with me, and thank you for joining me at my mobile home life. Please subscribe, like, and share, and see you on the next video tomorrow with another video of cleaning with my mobile home life. Thanks everybody.